Hello everybody, Mike here. So we have the play set just delivered. Only took a few days to arrive, even though it's very heavy. It was like 180 pounds, the box. So here are the screws and the bolts in a big bag. Everything was bagged up, labeled. These are all the pieces of wood, as you see. I didn't really waste too much time like putting every single thing together. For the most part, they're kind of together, but the little baggies are labeled. Some of the wood, they labeled the wood, but there were a few of them that were kind of faded. But they do give you all the tools you need, minus the drill. Use a drill for mine. There it is set up. So we have the two swings. You have the clamps to kind of hold it to the ground. Have the monkey bars. You can climb up those. And you have the slide. So a few things for the kids to do. They've been really enjoying it. I did it myself. It took like 16 hours. It took a long time. But out in Florida heat. But overall, it was nice. They're enjoying it.